Debian versus Fedora versus Arch. Which one should you be using? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down Debian, Fedora, and Arch, three popular Linux distros that feel very different from each other. So you can pick the one that fits your skill level and goals. Let's start with Debian. It's known for being super stable, like rock solid. That's why a lot of servers run on it. It doesn't rush updates, which means fewer bugs and more reliability. But if you're new, it can feel a bit behind the times since software versions are older and setup is sometimes trickier. Next up is Fedora. Fedora is backed by Red Hat and loved by developers and pros who want the latest software without waiting. It's where Red Hat tests new features before putting them into their enterprise product. Great if you're into cutting-edge tech or development work, but not the smoothest if you just want something simple and stable. Now let's talk about Arch. Arch is all about control and customization. If you love building your system from the ground up and only installing what you actually need, Arch might feel like home. It's lightweight, fast, and always updated, but not for beginners. You'll do a lot of setup yourself. So, which one is better? If you want rock-solid stability and don't mind older software, go with Debian. If you're a dev or tinkerer who loves the latest tools and bleeding-edge features, try Fedora. And if you're all about customization and learning how Linux works, Arch could be your move. Let me know in the comments which distro you use. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.